Solaris started out initially as a company that was focused on solving a problem that our customers didn't even really know existed. They were dealing with a lot of what we would call non-productive time or downtime related to logistics planning. Getting the materials they needed in order to do well site completions work to location was becoming a challenge. And when Solaris stepped into the oil and gas field, they looked at taking an existing solution and finding a better way to innovate on it.
We provide sand silos, chemical silos, and water silos all to the well site. We have a real-time dashboard where we can view the inventory levels within the silos at any given moment.
Our focus is let's find a way to automate what has been a manual process, and let's find a way to integrate it so that we can then remove people from harmful areas on the well site, reduce the cost by having to bring fewer amounts of equipment on location, which then translates to an ESG benefit, a benefit because we're reducing carbon emissions and reducing the amount of personnel needed to do process. And that's where I'd say our AWS partnership has really grown, and now we're using almost the full suite of their managed services, including TimeStream.
This has changed our ability to process data because it allows us to ingest more than we did in the past. At this point, I believe we've tripled the amount of data that we're receiving. I think at the end of the day, what this does is this positions Solaris to be a one-stop shop for the low pressure side of the oil field services. So you can really come to Solaris and you can count on us to be able to run the low pressure side efficiently and have software and hardware that's innovative.
One of the critical benefits of working with a partner like AWS, they help us scale very quickly because they already have the infrastructure, they already have the domain expertise, and they already have the substantive knowledge of what companies like Solaris are trying to do. And that's essentially like walking onto a baseball field and being told you get to start on third base and you just got to run home. And that's really what the benefit of working with AWS has been for us, is we've said this is where we want to go with our customers, and we were there within 6 months, and here we are a year later beta testing the latest software, which does not exist anywhere in the industry.